But business partner, your name is not going to change. Account is not going to change. Contract between you and your utility company is not going to change. Installation, what type of installation? Like you are residential customer, you are a commercial customer, you are agricultural customer, or you are a big industrialist. This information is not going to change. So this type of information is stored in the installation. Premise, your home address is not going to change. Even though you are living in anywhere, that premise is fixed for this installation, right?
Right.
Connection object. Connection object means your pole number. The pole from where the electricity is supplied to your premise is not going to change. That is known as the connection object. When we create a business partner, SAP business partner, all these fields will be there. BP relationship, general information, address, communication, additional data, billing direct, all this information you have to fill while creating the business partner. These are the data entry. While creating the business partner, these are the data entry. Business partner means your first name, your last name. Then address, what is your standard address, PO box address, and other any communication like mobile number, fax number, extension number, email, all these things. Then additional data, that your identification, what is your identification, payment transaction, you want to do the direct. Once billing completed, payment should be directly cut through your bank accounts, okay, or any hierarchy relationship. You are, if you are working in any organization and organization want to give you the subsidiary, so that is the hierarchy relationship, okay. All these information we maintained in the business part. Then next topic is the contract account. The same information while creating contract account, it will ask the what is your business partner number, what is general data, account name, account in legacy. What is account in legacy? Most of the utility company are migrating from the old data to a new SAP word, right? That is known as the account in legacy. We are maintaining account in legacy in the contract account, okay. Terms of payment, what is your tolerance group? Tolerance group means if government is giving any subsidy, like agriculture have some subsidy that they will not pay the, they will pay half bill or something like that. I don't know for the US market, but in India, agriculture, they are giving the half electricity bill, okay. So these are the information we are storing in the contract account. Now the second topic is create contract account.
Okay.
Yeah, transaction for the CA is CAA1. CAA1. Transaction for create contract account is CAA1. Okay.
Contract account.
Now go to the Excel sheet. Which BP you has taken. Go to Excel sheet for 62. Why it is /2?
Oh, I created two. I created.
Then
Sorry. I
yeah,
created
62. After
the.
that 62, it will be 63 number, na, right? So 63 will be the
No.
second, third serial number.
No.
Remove it after
No.
62.
Actually, the first one was 61. So this is a
Okay.
63.
Then 62 in the next tab. Yeah. Serial number 2. That's why I created, because we had to create a contract account. 1:1 relationship. Yeah.
Okay.
After 61,
Yes.
third serial will be the second serial will be the 62. Serial number 1, enter serial number 1.
Right.
Not in the
60.
same, not in the same, not in the same. In the next
Okay.
tab, below tab, because we need to create a huge master data for all the transactional data. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So that's why I had requested you to create the Excel sheet. Okay.
Okay. I see.
Okay.
Okay. I'll change the first one here. Anyway. Okay.
Okay. Now go to SAP contract account creation screen. Yeah. Just contract account category. Click on the contract account category where F4 is there. Click on the contract account category.
Contract account category. Okay.
ISU contract account R01. R01 ISU contract account. Yes. Click on this. Click on enter. Okay.
Okay.
So contract account in legacy. What is the contract account in legacy? Let's suppose contract account name, enter your own name.
I still need to enter just my name.
Yeah, just name. Account in legacy. If you have any history, means are you in the old legacy, then account in legacy, else it will be in blank. Okay.
Okay.
Go below,
Accounting legacy.
below, more below. Click on enter. It will be mandatory field will be automatic reflected. Click on enter.
Okay. Yes, this one is required. Tolerance group.
Yeah. So click on tolerance group, standard tolerance group for CA, tolerance group for residential CA,
Oh,
tolerance for residential CA. Yes, take this.
001.
Yes. Then
Okay.
clearing category, the same tolerance group 001, clearing category. Below tab clearing category is that yes, the same one.
00. Okay. I have to select which one here.
Standard clearing, yes. Then click on
Okay.
enter. What is asking?
Okay. It's asking for bill form.
Yeah, bill form. Select the bill form. ISU bill form, first one, yes. Again click on enter. Account determination ID. Where green, blue it is there, na? Account determination ID. Above, one tab above. ACT determination ID, it's in the blue color.
Oh,
ACT
oh, right
yeah,
here.
yeah,
Okay. Account determination. I see.
yeah. Account determination individual in residential customer. Take it, yes. Then again click on enter.
Payment terms.
Yeah, payment term and condition. Click on 14 days payment term and condition.
S002.
Yes.
Okay. Company code
Company. Click
GP.
on company. Yes. Company code. So here company code, it's a huge company code and everything. Search for the US company code. Go to little more below. SSBC. Click on SSBC.
SBC Motors.
No, no, yes, SBC.
SSBC.
Yes. Yes. Standard company code. Click on standard company code. SSBC. Yes. Click on enter. Then Dunning procedure. Click on Dunning procedure. Third tab, Dunning procedure. DUNNING, Dunning procedure. Not here, close this.
Oh,
Third one, group after that, Dunning procedure. Yeah, Dunning procedure. Above,
yeah.
before,
Done.
yes. Standard Dunning procedure, last one.
Standard Dunning. So
Yes.
what is this? What is this
I
standard
will
Dunning?
explain you all this. Just enter it.
Okay.
I will explain you all this term.
Okay.
Enter it. Nothing is coming. Yeah, save it. Yes, save it. So contract account number, some number has been generated.
Yes.
Copy this number and maintain in the Excel. There is a contract account tab. In the place of 62, yes. In 62 BP you had created, in the front of 62, maintain it. In front of
On
62, yes.
contract account.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We will
Okay.
use
Let me
this
let me
sheet
let
in
me.
the further.
Wait,
Okay.
I think I wait just 1 second.
Create once more, then I will explain you these field details. Okay. Create one more set of contract account with 61, then I will explain you the field details.
Okay. The code again is
For
CAA1,
reference,
right?
just here contract account, enter the contract account which you had created. Enter the contract account. Reference account is there, right? There is a reference account. ref.account. Enter the contract account, yeah, which you had created now. Enter it, paste it. Yes. Go to above. Here enter the business partner category 61. In the place of 62, 61.
Oh,
Not
okay.
here,
I
not
see.
here. Yeah, yeah. Remove the 61 from here, below one. Remove the
Right.
61. Yes.
Okay.
Click enter. Yeah. And
Okay.
save it. Just direct save it.
Oh, okay. So we created another
Yes. This is the
just for this
reference ID.
using a reference. Okay.
Okay.
Now I need to
Got it?
fill this again.
Yeah. Now, are you able to create happy in the business partner and contract account, right?
Yes, I created the second one already.
Okay. Now go to the contract account tab. I will explain you what are the contract accounts, what is the use of this. Okay. Create a one BP again, and then for that BP, create a contract account. Don't fill anything, just save it. Try to save it.
Oh, okay.
Just save it. Done. Save it. Yes. Created. Now go to FPP3. Sorry, CA3. Copy it. Copy it your contract account and update your Excel sheet.
Okay.
Now go to this. There was optics, there was a pencil, and then there was one another button. In the contract account create initial screen, there was a three buttons, right? One is the this drop down, then there is a pencil, and then there is optics. Okay, click on optics.
Okay. Oh, okay. I need to go back to the
No, don't go back anywhere. In the same screen, in the
Okay.
below of contract account category and above of contract, yeah. Next one, optics. Yes. Click on optics. Not that. Click on optics.
Optics right
After,
here.
yes. Yeah, right. Click enter. This is the
Okay.
contract account view. Means you can see this what you had created. Okay. Now we will go through one by one reference.
Okay.
See
Okay.
contract account name. So contract account name, what is the name in the BP? We have to update the contract account name here. Clear?
Okay.
Then account in legacy. What is account in legacy? Legacy system, right now you are living in somewhere where the old legacy system is used, so your data need to be mapped with old legacy system and new legacy system. So this is the account in the legacy. Okay.
Okay.